Hello there, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to download our PyCharm IDE, that is integrated development environment for Python. Okay, so what you will do, you will go to Google and type PyCharm download. Okay, once you type, you will get this list of websites. Okay, so you go to the top one, that is JetBrains. Click here. Once it is done, you will get the options of this. Okay, since my laptop is Windows version, so I am getting the Windows for exe. Okay, just click here, just click on here, download. Okay, once it is done, you will see here. Okay, so here, since I am downloading the first one, I will cancel this one and I will wait for the download to finish. So once it is done, you can see here it is completed. I will just click on this arrow in order to open the setup. It will take a bit of time to load. Just click on allow, yes. Click on the next. This is the installation wizard. Click on next. I will keep the by default. Okay, so here this is the most important part. You have to select all the checkbox, first, second, third and fourth. After that, click on next. Click on next again. So it will take a bit of time. Let's wait for it. So once it is done, you click on the finish. If you want to run the PyCharm, you can click on done, finish. Now let's see how it works. Now you just click on I confirm. This is your user agreement. Click on continue. Don't send. Okay. Yes, click on yes. Skip, just skip import for now. So this is done. Okay, so if you want to make new project, okay, wait, let it load first. The environment, let's wait for it. Okay, for example, if you click just run, try to run this program, you can see. Okay, hi PyCharm, you can see this one is working fine. Okay, for example, here if I write tutorial, just click on run. Okay, so it is taking a bit of time. You can see this one. Just click on run. Okay, then again, if say print 1 plus 2. This is basically we are just checking whether it is working fine or not. Just click on run. you can see the output is 3. So it is working fine. So this is how we are going to install our PyCharm.